Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use a hula circle. Start by standing tall with your feet about shoulder width apart, which provides a stable base. Position the hula circle around your waist, ensuring it rests against your lower back. Hold the circle level with both hands, ready to begin. This initial setup is crucial for maintaining control and getting the circle spinning smoothly. We'll get that circle moving in no time. Now, give the hula circle a firm, horizontal push to get it spinning. As it starts to fall, immediately begin moving your hips forward and backward in a steady, rhythmic motion. This hip movement is key to keeping the circle up. Remember to engage your core muscles throughout, as this helps maintain the circle's momentum and control. Practice makes perfect. To keep the hula circle spinning, you'll need to adjust your hip speed to match its rotation. Think of it as a gentle dance between you and the circle. Small, quick pushes with your hips are more effective than large, exaggerated movements. If the circle starts to drop, try shifting your weight slightly from one foot to the other to regain control. Consistency is your friend here. Once you've mastered the basics, try some advanced moves. You can raise and lower your arms for an extra challenge, or even attempt walking and turning while keeping the circle spinning. Beyond the fun, hula circling offers fantastic benefits, providing a great cardiovascular workout and strengthening your core muscles. It's a fun way to stay active for about 30 minutes a day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.